The year is 2025. Imagine this, your business runs 24/7. Your customers are happier than ever. Your marketing campaigns hit the bullseye every time, and you're not drowning in spreadsheets or emails. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. It's the reality of business powered by cutting-edge AI agents. Stay tuned as we explore the 6 AI agents every business needs to stay ahead of the game in 2025. This is a video you can't afford to miss. First up, AI customer support, the unsung hero of modern business. These agents are no longer just scripted chatbots. They've evolved into empathetic, multilingual problem solvers. Imagine a virtual assistant that detects frustration in a customer's tone and adapts its responses to provide extra care. Or one that seamlessly turns from text to voice for complex issues. By 2025, AI customer support won't just answer questions, it will build relationships. This is your frontline for customer satisfaction and loyalty. Think of tools like ChatGPT or Zendesk, but on steroids. Yes, on steroids. They'll integrate with your CRM, predict problems before happening, and even escalate tickets to human agents when necessary, but only for the trickiest cases. For this AI on your team, your customers will feel like VIPs every time. Next is AI sales assistant, and let me tell you, this one's a game changer. Imagine having an agent that analyzes market trends, monitors competitors' activity, and predicts what your customers need before they even know it themselves. These AI tools will help your sales team focus on what they do best, building relationships and closing deals. Picture this. You're about to call a potential client. The AI sales assistant feeds you insights like their recent problem searches, pain points based on industry data, and even the best time to reach out. With AI tools like HubSpot AI and Salesforce Einstein, you'll never go into a sales meeting unprepared again. Let's talk marketing. AI marketing automation is your ultimate creative sidekick. It doesn't just schedule posts or track metrics, it creates entire campaigns. By 2025, these agents will write personalized email sequences, design ads, and even A/B test headlines to find the perfect message for your audience. Imagine launching a product and having an AI agent generating social media buzz, craft targeted email campaigns, and even adjust ad spend in real time. Tools like Marketo and Canva's AI suite are already paving the way for this future. With AI marketing automation, your campaigns will feel like they're run by a team of experts because they are, just digital ones. Now let's dive into AI Financial Advisor, your business's money mastermind. These agents will keep your finances not just in order, but thriving. From cash flow analyses to budget optimization, they'll ensure you're making smart financial decisions at every turn. Say goodbye to manual budgeting. Tools like QuickBooks AI and File already automate expense tracking. By 2025, AI financial advisors will take it further, offering real-time investment opportunities, spotting unnecessary expenditures, and predicting economic shifts. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your finances are always in good hands. Let's not forget about your most valuable resource, your people. HR Assistant AI is here to revolutionize recruitment, onboarding, and employee engagement. These agents will help you find a perfect candidate, streamline their onboarding, and ever creating personalized growth plans for every employee. Imagine an AI that screens thousands of resumes in seconds, schedules interviews, and even conducts initial assessments. Tools like Bamboo HR and Workday AI are already showing what's possible. By 2025, AI HR assistants will not just save you time, but also ensure your team is happier and more productive than ever. Finally, let's talk data. An AI data analyst is the brain behind the scenes, transforming raw data into actionable insights. With so much information being generated, these agents will make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Think of tools like Tableau AI or Power BI with next-gen capabilities. By 2025, AI data analyst will not only highlight trends, but also recommends specific actions. For example, need to know why sale dipped last month? AI will not only tell you, but also suggest fixes. This is like having a data scientist on call 24/7. And there you have it. These 6 AI agents are not just tools, they're your business's future. Whether you're a startup small business or a global enterprise, investing in these technologies will transform the way you work. So, which AI agent are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. Before we end the video, guys, as you already know, guys, I'm starting my AI automation agency, Zach AI. Once we launch, we will offer services that integrates AI agent to businesses with very affordable prices and flawless agents. Yes, guys, that's about it for the video. If you like this video, don't be shy to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notification for future videos. And if you want to learn the easiest way to make money with YouTube, watch this video where I teach you guys how to make money with YouTube automation using AI. Go watch it now so you don't miss out.